Good evening. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir,
Prashant,
yes, sir. I
tell
have
me.
a doubt from PDF. We have given that 46 questions we have to solve now, sir.
46 questions, sir.
From vectors.
Yeah.
I have one doubt from that. Can I
Yeah.
ask?
Yeah, ask, ma.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir, the question number is 15. The question is the resultant of A and B makes angle alpha with A and beta with B. Then they have given 4 options, sir. The options are is alpha is smaller
Nothing.
than beta
Prashant,
or alpha is greater than
Prashant.
beta. Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
is that question? When we was discussing, if it is P bar is the vector, it is the Q bar.
The first property.
And first property, did you remember, Prashant? If it is the R bar is
Yes,
making
sir.
alpha with P bar. It is Q bar with
Yes,
beta
sir.
with.
I
So
remember.
when this alpha is decreasing, what will happen? Alpha is smaller than beta. Alpha is smaller than
Yes, sir.
beta. That means which is greater? P is
Greater than
greater than
Q.
Q, like that.
The 1 minute, I'll just check the answer.
So what will happen means when it is increasing, when its magnitude increasing, this resultant, it won't be this side. Now resultant is, it will be like this. So this will be the resultant now. So now see, before alpha is from here to here, now alpha is from here to here. So when it is increasing, again resultant will change, resultant will come here again. So what
Yes,
will happen means when magnitude is increasing, angle will decrease.
yes,
Sir,
I thought this property only will be.
sir,
Bhargava?
yes, sir. Sir, which property are you discussing? I got disconnected.
Yeah, yesterday even my class also disconnected at the ending.
Sir, even I have a doubt in the vector chapter. I mean,
Mm.
our vector PDF.
Mm.
Sir, the 39th question.
Mm.
So, should I say?
Tell me, ma.
So, if A and B are two unit vectors inclined at an angle of 60 degree to each other, then option A, mod A plus B is greater than 1, mod then B, mod A plus B is less than 1, C, mod A minus B is greater than 1, and D, mod A minus B is less than 1.
A or B two vectors. Even today I have no PDF because my phone was charging over. Okay. So A and B two vectors.
Yes, sir. If A and B are two unit vectors inclined at an angle of 60
1
degree
unit.
to each other.
So theta they given.
60 degree.
That's what they given, huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
So A bar dot B bar is equal to AB cos theta, right?
Sir, but this is not, this does not fall under dot product portion.
Okay.
Which question number is this?
It's question number 39.
Question number 39. See once the question, read again.
Yes, sir. If A vector and B vector are two unit vectors inclined at an angle of 60 degree to each other, then mod A plus B is greater than 1, mod A plus B is less than 1.
Mod A plus B. Mod A plus B.
Yes, yes, sir.
So mod A plus B means with what is the, it will come root 2, right? It is also 1. It is also 1.
Root 2, yeah.
So it will come root 2. That root 2 is greater than 1 or less than 1. Let's see.
Oh, that's it.
Check once. Okay, what is the property that we are discussing?
Sir, root 2 or root 3, sir?
Root 2. 2 unit vectors only, no?
Yes, sir.
So
yes, sir.
one is 1, one is
And
also
we
1.
have 2AB cos theta also, right?
2AB
cos theta.
Even angle they given, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That angle also substitute.
Sir?
2 and 1 by 2 will get cancelled. Root 2 only.
Root 2 only. Okay. Ananya. What's that? Ananya, somebody. Nagbhushan?
Sir,
What happened, ma?
sir, actually, we can basically say like, sir, that's mod, no, sir. So basically,
Mod.
more than 0, no, sir. So easily you can say what's the answer.
Okay. Give some idea to your friend.
Sir, it is unit vectors, no, sir.
So unit vectors.
So mod is basically more than 0.
Yes, more than 0.
So we can say it's greater than 1.
Okay. Who asked that question? 39th?
Me, sir.
Asmi, did you understand what he told?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
consider it is also one of the best thing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, anyway, sir, if you
Prashant.
add any two unit vectors, you will all
If we add
All-
always, it will be more
obviously
than
get
one.
more than one.
Yes, good. That is also we can say.
Sir,
Yes.
except for some cases, sir, when they incline
No,
at
he
180
told that. No, he
degrees.
mentioned that unit vector. Anyhow, it is the unit vector, no, sir. Like that, he is telling. So he considered that unit vector. So it is more than one.
Sir, but sum of two vectors can be null vector, right? So
Yeah,
how
it
will
can
we
be.
say that?
When we are subtracting.
Only for different angles it is easy, sir.
Yes, when we are subtracting, it will come even less than that. Okay, which property we are discussing?
Sir, we just did distributive property.
Distributive property over, right? Now, let's see.
Sir,
Who is that? Bhargav?
sir, what's the difference between that right hand thumb rule and screw rule? Sir, where do we use it?
No, there is no any difference, Prashant. Both rules
Sir,
are.
Bhargav, sir.
Hmm.
So, in what cases do we apply those rules?
That we will use to find the cross product direction. When we are doing cross product, we will get scalar or vector. When we are doing cross product between the two vectors, will you get scalar or vector? Bhargav?
Vector.
No, question ask Bhargav, he asked, I think network problem. Bhargav? Vector, right? Vector means it having direction, right? So if you want to say direction, then you have to use the right hand thumb rule or screw rule. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. I had some network issues.
Okay. Bhargav, see, when we are doing cross product, if it is A bar, it is B bar. When you are doing cross product like A bar cross B bar, it gives scalar or vector?
Scalar?
Bhargav?
So, vector, sorry.
Vector, right? Vector means it having magnitude and direction also, right?
Yes, sir.
So which direction? How can you say that direction? So if you want to give the direction A cross B, we will use here to find the resultant of the two.
Sir?
Nagbhushan, tell me, ma.
Sir, why can't it be left hand thumb rule?
What
Why
is
it's
that?
only right hand thumb rule?
It is the right hand thumb rule. Actually, screw, if you take screw, basing on the screw also we can say
Sir,
it's not left hand.
Sir, a screw can be modified anyway, right? We can make the helix part of it reverse also. So that time we need to rotate towards the
Yeah,
left.
if you see more conveniently, mostly we will use which screw? Everyone knows only one, that when we are doing in the clockwise direction, inside, anti-clockwise direction, outward, that screw we will use, right? If you modify, yeah, whatever you will say. So most of the things, if you modify, it will change. It can change. So why we have to take theta is always anti-clockwise direction? It will give positive we are taking, because positive is in this direction. You can take it is negative also. We can take in this direction theta, but you will get negative because of that rules. Already they given that rules, right? Basing on that rules, we are reading. Once if you want to modify, we can change that, but you will get confused. Already these are the rules already habituated, right? They announced, then we are reading.
Yes.
If you want, you can change. Suppose 2 into 3 is, I will say 6. You will say 3 into 2. Okay, what is there in that? But even though the directions also will be the same direction only, you will get negative. You can say right hand, left hand you can place, but you will get confused. Inside, but you are going outside. So just a difference is direction. When you are using left hand side, whatever it you want to show outward direction, it will show inward direction. So take it when it is showing inward, take outward direction. Positive you have to take. Then rule is correct. Understand? Just opposite. You have to apply opposite way. Then that is also
Yes,
will
sir,
correct.
I understood. I understood.
You can get a correct answer. Just we have to change in our convenient way. Most of the things in physics we know, right? That are the just assumptions. If you don't assume, so whatever you are reading till now, present situation, everything is wrong. You know, right? That most of the things are assumptions. We have to assume. If you don't assume, wrong. Okay? Even in the most of the values also, assumption values. Let's see. Now, one more property. It is important to do problems. I think is third, fourth or fifth, I don't know. I will write like a fourth.
Sir, fifth one.
Okay, fifth one. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Suppose if they have given 3 vectors, okay, 3 vectors they have given, take it is A, B and C. A, B, C. So this is the distance, take A and take it is B.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, could you just recall all the properties? Because I think I missed one. I've written only 3.
3, eh?
Yeah, could you just recall the 4 properties so that I know what have I missed?
What is the first property?
Yes, sir. Even I wrote only 3.
3,
Yes, sir, even I wrote 3.
So I wrote 4.
I wrote 4, sir.
4, okay. One is what? Commutative, right?
Yeah, one is commutative.
Next one?
The second one is that one, I cap into j cap equals k cap. I think that's
Okay,
a law.
it is
Yeah.
1. It is 2. Third one what? We know, right? I cap
Distributive was fourth one.
Distributive.
cross I cap equal to how much? That's what we did, right?
That's the second one we did.
Okay, second one. Third one.
Third one is A cross A bar into B bar is not equal to B bar into A bar.
Okay. Is it follows commutative? Cross product is follows commutative?
No, sir.
No, it is not commutative, right?
Hello.
It's not.
So in the first one, we wrote the values of a vector a cross into b cross. Sorry, a cross b and b cross a value, which
Right.
is ab sine theta and b
So
is sine minus.
that's what
theta.
we told. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. That's what we have discussed, right?
This is the first one, right?
It is the first one.
Yes, sir.
It is not
First one.
commutative. It
So
is
the
not
second
commutative.
one is I cap cross j cap.
Yeah.
That's the second
I
one.
cap cross I cap, how much?
0.
0. J cap
0.
cross J cap 0.
Zero.
That's what we have discussed. That is second. Third one.
0.
Distributive.
So third one, a cross b. No, that's fourth one.
No,
Yes,
no, no.
yes,
Fourth
This,
one.
it is only. So what Nagabhushan
Sir,
told
third
that time when
one
we are
was, A
discussing,
cross B
sir,
is
A
equal to-
cross A bar cross
Yeah,
B bar
that's third
equal
one.
to
That's-
minus B bar cross A bar. Can we write, sir, like that? He asked, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
you have written like this.
So that's
So
the
that's not
third
a
one.
property, right?
It's not property. If it is not equal, how can we make it is equal? So we have to give the negative sign.
So that's not a property, right?
It's not a property.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
so that's why I wrote that with the
Yeah.
first one only.
Okay, okay. Okay, now see, area of the triangle we are going to calculate. If we take the triangle A,
Sir, is this the next property?
B, yes. Area of the triangle. How
Okay.
to calculate area of the triangle in cross product?
Hmm.
Fourth or fifth?
Fourth.
Fourth.
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth.
Area of the triangle. So area of the triangle, how to calculate area of the triangle? We know the formula, right? Area of the triangle. Area equal to, what will we write? Half into
Base
Base
into
into
height.
height.
Base into height.
height. Okay. Take it is theta. Draw one perpendicular line. So height we can, if it is A and it is B, we can write it is C or something, or leave like that. Okay, it is A, it is B. Sides, two sides we can take as a B. Or take A vector, it is B vector, it is C vector, no problem. If we take like that, so calculate the base is nothing but half into base how much?
A.
Okay, base is A. What is the height? If you want to calculate this side, what we have to do?
Trigonometry.
A by 2 square.
Sin theta can we do? Can we do like sin theta?
Yes, sir.
Sin theta equal to BA by?
C. Sorry, C by BA, sir.
C by? Why C by? Where is the opposite side?
Okay, yes, sir. Sorry.
Opposite side B. Take here one point O. Say BO by BC, right? Sorry, BA. Can we write like this? BO and BA.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen there now? That is only sin theta, right?
Yes, sir.
It will be the sin theta. BA sin theta. BA means if you take it is C sin theta, right? Ananya? Hello?
Sir?
Can we write like height is sin theta?
Yeah, so wait, where is O?
Right here, O. We will draw perpendicular line, right? To that perpendicular line, right? It is a O.
So what's A? AC?
A, it is the A vector. It is the B vector. It is the C vector.
So can we just write AC vector, BC vector instead of writing A vector?
Is better.
Okay.
So we have given A, B, C 3 points. A, B, C 3 points we have given.
So anything is fine, sir.
Anything is fine, ma. Anything is fine. So can we write sin theta? Half into A sin theta.
Sir, will it not be
Yes,
C
sir,
sin
yes,
theta?
sir.
C.
The C sin theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Give magnitude. Only take magnitude. If you take
Yeah,
magnitude,
sir, but you have written no BO is equal to C sin theta.
okay.
Sir,
Sin theta into C. C sin theta. Hello.
Yes, sir, understood.
yes, sir.
C sin theta. Or sin theta into C. If you want to write in the vector form, area equal to, mean not in the vector form, like BA, what we have to do? Base into height, right? Base how much?
A
Base how much we have to take?
A vector.
Tell me the base.
A vector, AC.
Mod A.
Mod A base into height.
Mod C sin theta.
Mod C sin theta. So it is only, that's what. Right, that is only area. Area is base into height. Half base into height.
Sir, did
Hmm.
you write something after half a sine theta c?
No need to write. Base into height. Half into base into height is called triangle.
Because for me, your video is lagging. I'm not able to hear you properly.
Okay. No need to write anything. Okay.
So then
Prashant.
area of parallelogram will be AC sin theta, no sir. Mod AC sin theta.
Mod 80 sin theta, because area of the parallelogram is two times of triangles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, half of A sin theta C plus half of A sin theta C, right? That is the area of the parallelogram, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Even
sir.
parallelogram also we can write like that. 2 times of area of the triangle, right? Like that. 2 times of area of the triangle. Let's see. Problem. Try to do this, okay?
Sir, so area of triangle is equal to half A cross B, right?
A cross B. A cross B. Base into height.
So it's cross product.
Cross product.
Yes, sir.
Then
Because
cross
AC
product.
sin theta. So area of triangle is half cross product of any two vectors in the triangle.
Yes.
Sir,
Prashant, tell me.
that's why we learned that area of anything is a vector quantity.
Area is a vector quantity. So by using even
Vector
vectors
product
also we
is
can
there,
represent
no?
that. Try the first problem. If theta is the angle between unit vectors, if theta is the angle between the unit vectors, A bar and B bar, then 1 minus A bar dot B bar by 1 plus A bar dot B bar is equal to option A, tan square theta by 2.
Sir, is the dot product?
Yeah, A bar dot B
The
bar.
tan square theta by 2 or tan square theta, sir.
Okay, I will give the options, then we will see that. Okay, what
Yes,
answer you
sir.
got? Prashant?
Sir, just give the options, sir. I think I saw some
Sin square
like this property somewhere.
theta by 2, C cot square theta by 2, 4 cos square theta by 2.
Will it be A?
Bhargav, Prashant,
Yes.
your answer is A.
I think so, sir.
Solution. Prashant, solution is important.
Sir, give some time, sir. We should also do that.
Yeah. I will give time. Even I am asking Prashant, show me solution. If you do solution, let's.
Sir, I didn't solve, sir, but I think I have seen similar property in maths.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Yes. Whatever answer you given, that is correct. But I want solution. because everyone should understand.
So since magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta, you will get 1 into cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta.
Very nice. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, how to write?
So 2 sine square theta by 2.
2 sine square
Yes, sir, that's
theta by
correct.
2. 2 cos square theta by 2
theta by 2.
equal to tan square theta by 2. Nice. Such a nice answer. Ananya, ask me, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Unit vectors, right? If you see, whatever it may be, if they don't give unit vector, if they give other vectors also, whenever you are seeing dot product, that means you should apply dot product. You should do dot product. Okay, but here they give a unit vector, right? So answer became very simple. Then we can find dot product. Always we know how to do dot product also. I explained that. One more question.
So just 1 minute, sir.
Sorry. Next time onwards I will see the question. This question also you should try. Let me check which question. Okay, see the question. Second question. A force of 2i cap, 2y, 3j. I'm not writing caps because I is nothing but I cap, j is nothing but j cap, and plus 2k Newton acts on your body. Acts on your body for 4 seconds. For 4 seconds. And produces a displacement. Produces a displacement of 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap meters. Calculate the power. Calculate the power.
Sir, is power a vector or scalar quantity?
Aryan, power. Power formula. Do you know what is the power formula? Work
Sir,
by
it's
time.
the rate.
Work by time.
Sir. Yes, sir. Work by time.
So work is scalar vector.
Work is scalar.
Time? No.
Time
What
is,
you told, that's correct.
Oh, both are scalar, so it'll be scalar.
Scalar.
Okay.
Sir, so here we need to take the dot product, right?
Obviously, see, when you are getting answer is scalar, that means dot product only available. So you can
Sir,
do that.
28.
28, Prashant?
Yes, sir. Dot
No.
product.
No, Prashant, it's wrong answer.
28.
For 4 seconds divided by 4, 7.
28 by 4, huh?
Yes, sir.
How much?
7 seconds.
7,
Like
huh?
7. Power is 7. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 7 Newton per second.
Yes. 7
Newton per second.
Newton per second.
Yes, sir. Force
So
by-
joule per second it should be, right?
Joule per second.
Newton
Yes.
meters per second.
Newton per second, na?
Sir, he's
No,
saying
sir,
Newton
joule
meter
per
per
second.
second.
Joule per second. Power joule per second. See once. Power equal to work by time. Okay. Here work they didn't give. In the workplace, what they have given, work is nothing but force into displacement by time. Here force is a vector, displacement is a vector. So where is the force? It is the force. 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap dot displacement. 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap by 4. Dot product when you are doing, obviously you will get a scalar only. So magnitude you will get that you got 28 by 4 is nothing but 7. Anybody has any doubt on the dot product? Or shall I, if you want, I will explain. Anybody, see, if you don't know, say that we don't know, nothing will happen. No one knows everything. Is it I have to explain or will you do? Hello?
No, sir, understood.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, I got disconnected. Can you explain the sum?
Okay, just nothing, just force they have given, okay, and acts on a body 4 seconds, produces displacement. Force is a vector quantity, displacement is a vector quantity, we know that. And time is, they have given time is a scalar quantity. They are asking us calculate power equal to work by time. Here work, we should know work is a scalar quantity, time is a scalar quantity, so power also scalar quantity. Answer you will get in the scalar form. Okay. So what you have to do, work equal to force into displacement. Here force is a vector quantity, displacement is a vector quantity, but we want answer in a scalar, so we have to apply dot product. So I have written force and displacement, I applied dot product by 4, so you will get 28 by 4, it is nothing but 7 joule per second. Okay.
Yes,
Which
sir.
is 7 watt.
Okay. Write that. One more question. What is the condition? What is the condition for the vectors 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap and 3i cap minus 4j cap plus bk cap. Wait, aj cap to be parallel. Option A equal to minus 9 by 2, comma b equal to minus 6. Option B, a equal to minus 6, b equal to minus 9 by 2. Option C, a equal to 4, b equal to 5. Option D, a equal to 8, b equal to 2. What is the condition?
So,
And tell me, ma.
sir, here they're saying parallel, right?
Yes.
So if two vectors are parallel to each other, their cross product is 0.
Cross
So we need
product
to
is
use cross
Today.
product.
It would be A, right?
Sir, so we should use here cross product, right?
yes. Prashant, how did you get? Prashant, solution is important, right? I can't hear you. Asmi?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
I'm
use a
figuring
math
out.
formula where. Sir,
Tell me, ma. Tell me, Prashant. No, I can't hear you. I think you have a network problem.
So we can even write it as 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by minus a, that.
Yes.
Okay.
Prashant, I can't hear you.
Sir, I guess he was saying something about the maths formula, probably the same thing what Priyanka just said.
Okay.
Cross product formula of maths.
Yes, sir.
Give that shortcut.
Basically, 2 by 3 equals 3 by minus A equals minus 4 by B. We can equate 2 by 3
Like
to
2 by 3
3
equal to
equals
3 by
minus A
minus A equal
minus 4
minus
by
4 by
B.
B. Yes, correct only. Prashant, nice, correct. Then we can calculate. If you want A, just take this A. We can calculate A easily. Write this 2. 2 by 3 equal to 3 by minus A. What will happen now? A you want, right? So minus A send this side. 2, sorry, 3, 3 by 2, right? So you will get minus A equal to 9 by 2. So A equal to minus 9 by 2, like that. Whatever you want, that we have to take, we will get answer. If you want B, so 2 by 3 equal to minus 4 by B. So B, if you want, send this B this side, remaining there.
So, but I didn't really understand the question. What does it mean by to be parallel?
To be parallel means what will happen? Parallel means cross product is 0, that we know, right? Cross product is 0, right? Actually, parallel means
So that's a property.
it is equal to, yeah, it is a property, no? See, I cap cross I cap, how much we return?
1, 0, 0.
No, because then that means that both are in the same direction,
Okay, yeah, I got it.
like that. So these two vectors in the same direction.
So,
Okay, tell me, ma.
It might be silly, but I cap into minus I cap will also be 0, right?
I cap into
Minus I cap.
180.
So it will be 0 only, no?
180 sine 180, 0, right?
Yeah.
0, 0. It's correct. That is also 0, ma.
Okay.
One more question. This sum try to solve. And solution, if you do solution, show to me that. A body is hanging from a horizontal branch of a tree. The tension in the arms will be maximum when the angle between them and the angle between the arms is option A 0 degrees, option B 30 degrees, Option C, 60 degrees. Option D, 120 degrees.
So what do we mean by arms? Tension in the arms?
A body is hanging from the horizontal branch, right? If I show the diagram, then you will get answer mostly.
Sir, will it be 120 degrees?
Okay, did you guess or any solution is there?
Sir, because you can exert tension more the angle, you can exert more tension, sir.
Okay.
I like use the manipulation.
Sir,
Prashant, correct.
sir, which two arms, sir?
Only 2 arms will be there. Which 2 arms what? How many arms will be there?
Sir, for a tree there are many arms, sir.
No. Don't.
The one with the
Means
branch
branch,
and the
right?
one of the string, right? Those two arms, right?
Yeah. Only 2 will be
Okay,
there.
those two, right?
Yes, those 2.
Okay, yes, sir.
Prashant.
Yes, sir.
Nice guessing. Yeah, super.
Sir, because I've seen in my school many trees like that, sir. They have like arms between branch and the trunk. I've seen. Right.
It's nice.
So what was his answer?
Correct only. 120.
No, what was the explanation for it?
Explanation. Just now what he given. When the tension will be less, sir.
So when the angle is less.
When tension is maximum.
So when the arm
Okay,
was
so it's directly proportional to the angle, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nicely given. So if you want to prove, first you should know what is happening, right? So let's see. Do you know how to write the diagram and how to resolve the vectors? You should draw the diagram and you should resolve first. If it is the fixed end, so one of the body is hanging. That means body is hanging here, right? Right? So if it is theta 1, if it is theta 2, can you take like that? If it is theta 1, theta 2. So it is tension. It is also tension. Now what we can do? We can resolve this tension. T. We can write this T. Now can you resolve the tension force? One will be in this direction. One will be in this direction. It will be T cos theta, both are in the upward direction. T sin theta, right? And weight is acting downward direction. That weight is mg. And it is T sin theta. This is also T sin theta. We know T cos theta. One more T cos theta. So what will happen? 2T cos theta equal to mg. Can we write? Hello?
Yes, sir.
T cos theta.
It would be theta 1 and theta 2. Now both are different.
Yes,
Okay, take theta angle. Take theta is the angle between.
Because theta 1 and theta 2 are totally different to each other.
Yeah. So take theta. Okay.
So,
Tell me, ma. Hello? Who is that?
so can you hear me?
Ananya, tell me, ma.
Yeah, so I got disconnected. Could you please explain?
Yeah, Ananya. Nothing is there. Asmi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Did you understand, Asmi? See, if it is the branch, Asmi, one of the body is hanging, right? So once it is hanging, what will happen? It is hanging in the middle only, exactly.
Okay, so what if it is hanging from the edge of the branch?
Yes, middle.
What if
A body is hanging from the horizontal branch.
Yeah. What if it's hanging from the edge of that branch?
Edge of the branches.
Yes, sir.
These are the edges right now.
Sir, she's asking like, what if it's on the edge of the branch?
Edge of the branch. How?
Yeah.
What if the object is hanging from the edge of the branch instead of the middle?
So that time theta and theta it won't come. Theta 1 and theta 2 will happen. Suppose if it is the branch, if body is hanging here,
Yes, yes, sir.
so 1 theta will become 0.
Sir, but sir, this is the arm, right? The horizontal is the arm, right?
Yes.
Sir, isn't the angle between them 90?
Yes, sir.
Here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be 90 then.
Sir,
Tell me, Ananya.
so I can't hear you at all. Could you explain again? I didn't understand anything. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Just I'm saying, sir, are you able to hear me? Okay. Did you understand? Did you get 28? Oh, Bhargav. Let's see. Ananya. Hello. Come on, let me everyone try to explain to Ananya.
Sir, I don't think she can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Sir, she's telling she can't hear you.
Sir, now I can hear you. I was saying that I wasn't able to hear you before, so I didn't understand.
It's okay, Ananya. See, a body is hanging from the horizontal branch of a tree, Ananya. The tension in the arms they are asking. Let's see. So it is the branch. Okay. So what body is hanging here? If it is hanging here, it is theta. We have to take is the theta. Draw one line. So tension will be there here. Here tension, and here also tension will be there.
Sir.
This tension, tell me,
So
ma.
sorry to bother, sir. I did not understand this diagram at all. That's why I asked you why. What if the object hangs from the edge? Because I'm not able to,
It's not from edge. It's not from edge. They ask tension. That means one of the branch there. It is the branch, right?
Yeah.
So they fixed 2 threads, right?
There are 2 threads.
Yes. Then only tension will be there. Not only because of the branch, right? Tension in the arms, like.
Sir, how do you know there are 2 threads?
No,
Yes, sir,
no. Threads is nothing but like we are saying the arms. In the arms itself, there will be a tension force, right? When body is hanging, there will be tension force in the arms also.
So there will be tension even if there's one string also, right?
One string also it is there.
But it's not mentioned. The question is not clear, sir.
When the maximum angle between the arms. But these are the arms.
So,
sir, just now you told the arms are the branches.
Yeah.
I didn't understand, sir.
So it is the branch, ma. These are the arms. Ends of the branch is nothing but arms.
Sir, it can be anywhere, right? Theta. Yes, have you taken theta? Both the thetas are equal.
Yes. Let theta 1 equal to theta 2 equal to theta. Then we have to assume.
So what if they are not equal?
If you don't assume, they will mention the thetas. First end.
Sir,
tell me, ma.
So if you see, everything is an assumption here. Even the diagram which you have drawn is an assumption. The idea that if there are 2 strings or 1 string, what is the position of the object from
But here we can't say there are 2 strings. Why? Because tension force is equal. So 2 strings are same. That's why we have taken tension also equal. If I take tension,
where is it written 2 tensions are equal, sir? Both the tensions.
Only one branch, 2 arms. Ends of the branch we have to take as a arms. So body is hanging like this. Not because of only one arm, right? Arms they have given. So 2. We can't take as only 1.
Sir.
Tell me, ma.
So will the tension on each arm be the same or different?
Same.
Oh,
tension in the each arm is same.
Yeah. So, but nothing has been mentioned in the text.
Yeah. In the question they didn't mention. Yes.
Sir, I really cannot visualize a string being, a body being attached to the string like that.
Sir,
Could you explain again?
Yeah, all of us have different interpretations of this question, right? Because it's a very general question.
Because when theta is equal, the tension would also be equal, right?
So can we imagine this as a human?
What?
Yeah.
Like 2 arms.
Yes.
Holding it with their 2 arms, and
yeah, we can imagine.
They make.
Yes.
2 arms. Okay, sir.
Yeah, we can imagine. So just we have to imagine, because when question is not clear, we have to imagine that. Tell me, Prashant. Prashant will give a nice idea.
Sir, my thing is like, why should we even imagine even an object? They're just asking at which angle tension max will be. We don't know mass, nothing we know. So why
Sir,
should we just think they're just two branches and just think?
Yeah. See, they didn't give anything. But mass,
Yes, sir.
when the body is hanging, definitely it having mass, right? Body having mass, right? Any body having its
Yes, sir.
its own mass, right?
Yes, sir.
So they won't give, but it is mass is there for that body. When they are mentioning it is a body, there is a mass. On that mass, what will happen when it is hanging? Gravitational force will act on the downward direction.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Aryan, tell me.
Sir, is there something given that like tension is directly proportional to the angle?
No, Aryan. They didn't give that type of thing. So we have to assume.
Okay, sir.
A body is hanging from the horizontal branch of tree. The tension in the arms will be maximum when the angle between the arms. That's what they asked. They didn't mention clearly anything.
sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, I have, sir, we can interpret like this, sir. One
Yeah.
string and another string within that string and a mass. Correct. So when when the string is tightened, that means the angle is 180 degrees, right? And that time the tension is mg itself.
Mg itself.
So that is the maximum. So we can say that when theta is 180 degrees, it's maximum.
It's maximum, but 180 option they didn't give, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Whatever you are telling, when it is 180, more maximum tension will be there.
Yes, sir. So therefore, the greater the theta, more the tension.
Yes, more the tension.
Sir, can Nagabhushan repeat whatever he said again?
So nothing.
Yeah.
Suppose, see, one of the take it is the arm. Okay. So what he's telling, if you hang the body here, so tension will be more or less.
It will be more.
Before there is some angle is decreasing here. Before is 180, right? Here it is 180.
Yeah, and it's hanging at a 90-degree angle.
Right.
Yeah.
So here tension is more or less. When it is
More,
hanging
it's
to 180.
It's
more,
more.
right? So when
Yeah.
angle is increasing, tension will, that's what he's telling. Tension also will increase. Directly proportional. We can assume like that, sir. Like that he is asking.
Okay, but sir, the angle is hanging in a 90-degree over there, right?
No, you can't take only one. Take two things are here. Don't take it is a one. Suppose it is very minimum angle. Take it is very minimum angle. It is nearly equal to 180.
Okay.
Very small angle. Okay, then angle will be 180.
Sir,
Nagbhushan, tell me, ma.
Well, we can basically consider. So they gave one clue. We don't know the diagram, but they gave one clue. It's maximum. So we know on statement when tension is maximum, angle is also maximum. But here maximum in these four options is 120. So we can consider 180.
That's what actually 180. Whatever you told, that is 180. It will become 180. But here option is up to 120. When it is maximum means when there is a more angle, there is a more tension.
So that means tension is directly proportional to the angle.
Okay, Aryan. We can conclude. Right? That we will
Sir,
find out even.
Mathematical solution is there for this.
Mathematical solution is not there. So that's what. See, T is equal to mg by 2 cos theta. No, we can't write. If it is, if we write like that, if theta is small, tension is.
So can't you like substitute like each and everything in that formula itself, and then like whichever is the maximum, won't you get
No data they have given, right? So we can't.
Sir, by what you wrote, if it becomes that tension is inversely proportional.
That's what I'm telling. When I'm seeing this formula, I'm feeling like theta is small, then tension is more.
So if the string, like no one's pulling the string or anything, then is the tension, is there any tension in a string which is, can a string be at rest, like no one's pulling it or anything?
But when tension force will be there, that is nearly equal, very small. We can't say that there is no tension. Exactly, we can't say that there is no tension. Each and every string contains tension, right? Its own tension force.
Okay. So, okay, nothing. Wait.
But here, according to this formula, we can say that when the angle is decreasing, tension is increasing. Or angle is decreasing, tension is increasing. Okay, we will see this. I will let you know.
Sir, I think I know a little bit, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, we can consider one block connected to another block.
Okay, yeah, we can connect.
Sir, that is vertically upward, sir.
Vertically upward, okay.
And the upper block is connected with one string.
Okay.
Okay. So that one string is there, right, at the topmost part. I can split into two strings to have the same tension because mass is same, and we can, sir, there will be two strings. We can split into two strings, right, to have the same tension.
So if you one string, if you split into two parts, then what will happen? Sir. If the two strings are connected in parallel, answer will be different. If the two strings, if you connect in the series, answer will be different. So we can't assume that.
Sir, we can assume that, right?
No, Nagabhushan, we can't, because if you split, then how you are arranging, that is also important there.
So then it is in parallel, right?
Sir, do you know what's the final answer for this?
See, here
so the final answer, so actually the final answer is 0 degrees over here.
0 degrees?
Yes. I checked this on net and the answer is 0 degrees.
Sir, so the diagram could you draw again?
So that means theta is very small, tension is more.
Sir, could you draw the diagram again? Sir, over here, if we pull the weight down,
yes,
would the tension increase in the strings?
Yes, obviously.
Yes, sir. Since then the angle is decreasing, right? In that case.
Yes, that's what. Then
it should be 0 degree.
Can we take like that?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you, like,
yeah,
can
correct.
It be like that?
No, just when I calculated this, when I saw this formula, here when angle is decreasing, tension is increasing. So that's what. It's not more. 0 only.
So in this figure, the strings are in a particular angle, right? If we keep them vertical to each other, the angle would be 0, na? Like if we keep the two strings vertical to each other.
Vertical to each other?
Yes, sir. That way also.
Okay. Then tension is more.
That time answer would be 0.
Yes. Because when it is like this, so you are saying like this, right? So tension will be upward direction and mg. So total tension is equal to mg, right? That's what you are saying, right?
Yeah, 2t it would be. 2t is equal to mg. Two strings
2t
are
equal
attached.
to mg. So tension force is more. Yeah, we can say like that. Good.
So 1 minute, sir.
Prashant, tell
I
me.
checked in net. It is given 120 degrees.
Is it?
Sir, I think
0 degree it's given in the net.
Okay, it's fine. Nothing. What we will do, but when we are doing calculation, here it is showing according to formula, T is inversely proportional to theta only.
Sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, maximum possible tension is mg itself, correct?
Yes.
So mg is equal to mg is equal to mg by 2 cos theta, correct?
mg is equal to mg by 2 cos theta, yes.
Yes. So 2 cos theta, so negative sign also will be right because
a negative is there. Negative sign is there.
mg cancel. Cos theta will go up. Then we'll get cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So therefore theta is 120 degrees.
mg will get cancelled.
Yes, like, sir, we know that maximum possible tension between a string and a mass is mg if it is gravity, right?
When there is a two strings, whatever she told, like 2t, yeah, it is 2t actually. When we are taking the two strings in the same direction. So that time, whatever you are telling, it won't be correct. But according to formula, it is correct. So when theta is decreasing, tensile will increase. But answer given actually 120 answer given. Let's see. We will discuss this formula. Even I will find tomorrow. How much you want to find? How much you can find? Let them find, because it's the nice question given so many like questions, right?
So I guess the answer would depend on the way we hang the strings.
Maybe
Sir, it differs according to person. So
Yes,
how
so the
they
question is
perceive
the question is very unclear, so it's not
Yeah.
a
So, sir, could the
incomplete.
arms be like on the either side of the branch? They can even be like no, like hanging over the branch, like a pulley kind of thing. Sir, it's like okay, fine, it's okay.
So I saw in one figure online. It said like it showed only one arm.
One arm. Okay.
It means two arms are together. That
one arm. How much
Like
answer
they
they
made
given?
it look like one arm.
One arm. How much they given answer?
0.
Answer is 120 only.
Again, he's telling
Like,
0.
like
No,
all the
they-
other sides are telling 120. Only there's one side where it is 0 degree.
Yes.
So that is wrong.
Does the figure also
But
match?
all the other places it's 120 only.
So what we previously claimed was correct only.
Which one?
That we said that tension was directly proportional to the angle. So it's
Sir?
120.
Okay.
Sir,
now Vishnu.
sir, I'm considering one more assumption.
Hmm.
Sir, horizontal is there
Yes.
and mass is there connected with different arms, correct? We can suppose any number of arms because they didn't say in the question, correct?
Yes, they didn't mention arms. They have given that one.
So if I take infinitely many arms, suppose.
Okay.
So there are many arms, correct?
Yes.
So for each arm there is individual tension.
Yes, obviously.
This value cannot cross mg, correct? So we can.
It won't form mg.
So we can consider those all arms to form one single string, no sir?
Yes.
So therefore theta is equal to 0. This is also one assumption, right?
Actually. Let's see, we will find, is it question is clear or not? Just I will find. Tomorrow we will discuss. Okay. Okay. We will discuss tomorrow.
Yes,
because
sir.
I will get one
Yeah.
clarity, then we will discuss. Because most of the questions are left. But find out, okay, how much. But question, did you write everyone that question?
Yes.
Yes,
Just to try to find out that, okay, what is the correct answer. If you are one person is finding 0, one person is finding 120, that means there is some assumptions. Once if you get that assumption, we can find it very easily. Priyanka?
Actually, like it may be due to the figure also.
Due to the figure also, but yeah, unclear question. What Ananya, somebody told, question only unclear. Yes, we will find that.
So on the net, they are using differentiation for it to find out the answer.
Okay. But what is the purpose differentiation? Yeah, basing on figure. Basing on figure. If you dot different figures, maybe you'll get different answer, I think. So what is the answer they given?
So I have sent a file. Sir. I have sent an image. Can you just view that once?
Where is that? I have no idea.
I just sent just now, sir. Chat section. So even I'm also not getting clear idea after seeing the image.
Yeah. Even.
They have given
I
like the
think
same figure as you.
Class 12 Java. I don't know where this picture is. 1 minute, just a minute. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, can you see that?
What, sir?
No, sir. I
No,
sent it
sir, he
privately.
sent it
Wait.
privately to you.
Let
Yeah.
me. So I will draw that picture. Just now, whatever I have given in the same picture, right?
You can do screen sharing also.
1 minute. Just a minute. I am going to draw that. Theta.
Sir, the board is blur for me.
Everyone?
Oh, sir, it's not blur. It's not blur.
So 90 is not possible. $90 is not possible. So 2 theta equal to 120 degrees, it seems.
Sir, what I'm saying is you don't see the answer, sir. Just see the figure and what you are getting, you just analyze, sir. It might be wrong also. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. I thought that you saw it somewhere.
I saw it, sir.
And
But
that is from Brainly. They haven't
Yes,
even
sir.
explained it properly.
Yeah, even
Yes.
first, whatever diagram I have given, the same diagram. 2 cos theta.
Sir,
2
but
t
here
cos.
there's not another string where the two threads meet, and it's just like connected to both the
Arms.
strings.
Just we have to take it as
Yeah,
arms.
it's directly connected to the arms. There's no another string coming from there.
No, another string. Yeah, directly connected from arms. Sir. So here also.
Sure. In fact, when you search, the question is that a boy instead of a body. So then a boy is hanging from the tree. That is what the question is given online.
Yeah, right. 2 arms will be there, right?
No, only one arm is there.
He's one
I
arm.
mean,
He
in
will
the
have 2 arms,
diagram,
right?
He's
but
hanging with one arm.
I don't know. In the diagram, they have drawn like that, but obviously it should be with 2 arms.
Which, 1 second, sir. Which, Ananya, which site is that?
Oh, wait.
There's the same question of a boy hanging,
Sir?
and there are 2 hands for it.
2 hands,
Like,
right?
yes.
What
The
is the
same
answer?
diagram it's 120 degrees.
Answer have they given?
Yeah, sir, it's
Outnet
120
is there,
degrees.
topper.com is
120
there.
degrees, sir.
Everywhere it's given boy only.
But the formula is the same thing you use. T is equal to mg by 2 cos theta.
Because when it is hanging, if we resolve the thing, so we will get the same formula. Formulas cannot be different. So formula is same. So if it is 90, cos 90, it will become 0. So everything will become 0. So 90 is not possible. So
Sir?
right angle triangle.
Sir, so draw the same diagram again.
Isosceles triangle. Maybe they have taken like that.
Sir, let that be another vector, another tension vector, sir.
No, it's not another. Same, right?
Sir, consider.
Oh, okay.
Sir, another tension vector. So the middle one also is a tension vector. Could sir write T3 now, sir?
T1 sine theta. T1 sine theta. T1 cos theta.
Yes, sir.
T2 cos theta.
Sir, now if that's a vector, we can use cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Correct.
Okay.
So if we consider that this is a plane, beta gamma are last gamma angle is 0. So only beta and gamma are there. So alpha and beta are there. Alpha and beta are there. Correct. Then we can do the problem. We can consider this is theta 1 and that's theta 2. Alpha is theta 1, alpha beta is theta 2, and we can do that, sir.
How much will you get?
We need various values of theta to analyze.
Yeah, basing on the theta, we will get the different values.
I don't think so. We should waste more of time on this
Yes.
question. Let's continue.
That's what I told. Tomorrow I can explain that.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. You can continue.
Sir, just 1 minute, sir. Can you wait for 1 minute? I'll just.
So I found the solution.
Okay, we will discuss tomorrow. We will discuss that. Okay.
The tension is
tension is
inversely proportional to the theta or directly proportional.
According to formula, it is inversely proportional to theta.
Okay.
Sir, I have like this general question. Sir, if a boy is hanging on the branch, how can the angle between his arms be 120 degrees? It'll be an acute angle in any case, right?
Sir, listen.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me. Wait.
I understood, sir.
Excuse me,
sir.
sir.
You are taking.
Sir, I've
Like,
sent you. Just check once.
Just a 1 minute. Just a minute, ma. Just a minute. Please, just a minute. P is maximum and 1 plus cos theta is minimum. Cos theta equal to -1. Theta is 180 is not possible. Cos theta equal to -1/2. Here, hence 1/120. Okay. P is maximum 1 plus cos theta is minimum. So cos theta equal to -1. Theta 180 is not possible. -1. So, okay. Tell me, Prashant.
Yes, sir. You have drawn a figure, no, sir.
Yes.
That you have taken theta 2 sides. So total angle is 2 theta. So
yes.
Whatever options you have given, take it is equal to 2 theta.
Yes,
so,
2 theta.
So if you take a value of, in case if I take 30, so theta will be equal to 15. Cos 15 value, cos 30, cos 1 minute, sir.
It is not possible to make 180, yeah?
No, sir. Like if you see, if you take 120 means you will get theta 60 in that case.
Okay, we will see. Prashant, tomorrow we will discuss that. Already so much time over on that question. We will discuss. Tomorrow we will discuss that. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are A bar is equal to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap. B bar equal to minus 2 I cap plus 4 j cap minus k cap. What is the area of the triangle, area of the parallelogram? What is the
90,
area?
no, sir?
Ma?
Theta is 90.
A cross B.
It is 90.
Yes, sir, because adjacent sides of parallelogram have a 90 degree, right?
The adjacent sides of the parallelogram are A bar and B bar. What is the area of the Thus they asked not 90. We can't say. Why? Adjacent sides are 90 in parallelogram?
No.
Not right. Not ma.
Not, sir, but here there's no angle, right?
Angle not there. Just what is the area?
So you're telling terms of sin theta, no, sir?
Area, to calculate area, what is the formula?
Half into base into height, right?
That is for what?
Triangle.
Parallelogram.
Half only base into height. Sorry.
Base into height. So
base into
height, cross product can we do? But
yes,
what you have to apply? Cross product if you do, what will you get? You will get scalar or vector?
Vector.
But you have to make it as a magnitude. Area get in the
dot product, right?
No, ma. Cross product only. A bar cross B bar mod.
Sir, is the answer square root of 197?
Square root of
197.
197, not. $197.
Sir, sir, I have a doubt here. Sir, we had taken that in the previous when we derived the area of parallelogram or triangle, we got half AC sine theta, right?
Base into height. Say, do like base into height. If they give any values, substitute that.
Sir, but there are two adjacent sides, right? We don't know their base and height.
Where?
In this particular question.
Why can't you know that? If it is the parallelogram, okay? It
So
is
basically the diagonal. Okay.
So will we
it
get
is one
root
triangle.
5?
It is one triangle, right?
Yeah.
Who is Prashant?
So will we get
Aryan.
root 5?
We have to apply root.
No, sir. Will we get root 5?
Root 5 we will get.
Getting root.
Yeah, root 5. So we have to calculate like A cross B. Here also two triangles. One triangle
So
A
root
cross
is
B.
the correct answer?
Yeah, correct, ma. Root 5 is correct answer. Root 5 units. Root 5 units correct.
Yes, sir. You will get only root 5. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I didn't do minus. I did plus instead.
So will you solve the question?
A bar cross B bar, right? How to write A bar cross B bar? A bar cross B bar equal to I, J, K, 2, minus 3, 1, minus 2, 4, minus 1. We have to solve this. If you solve, you will get in the vector form. Do you know how to solve this?
Yeah, sir, I solved it like that. I didn't get it.
You didn't get. Okay, take I cap. What will happen? This line and this line we should not.
4 into 1.
3 minus
4. Yeah.
Plus, sorry, minus J cap.
Oh, it's minus J cap.
I told you, no, it is first in the positive, negative, and positive.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Yeah, so then we will get root 5.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. T1, tension force 1, tension force 2, and they have given 900 Newton force is acting here at point P. Then find out the T1 by T2.
So,
Tell me, ma.
so in the previous question, what is like? I mean, I didn't really get it. I got halfway.
Half? How much
I
you
got
got?
halfway.
Tell me.
I got minus I cap plus 4J cap minus 2K
I cap. Everyone, did you get minus I cap?
Yes, sir.
Minus I cap.
I got minus 2 K cap. J cap is like 0 J cap. That's why you will get root.
I got
Yes,
plus 4 2K cap.
component.
Different person, you are getting different answer for a same problem.
Yeah, I think you should just solve it once.
See, I cap we have taken. Once if you take I cap, 3 minus 4 minus J cap, if you solve, we have to do minus 2 plus 1.
Sir, plus 2, sir.
Yes, sir. It's
Plus 2. And K cap, if you take, leave the line.
8 minus 6.
8 minus 6.
Okay, I took -2 for j cap. That's why I didn't get.
Sir, it's -2, sir.
Minus I cap.
No. It's -2
0.
minus of -2, so it becomes +2.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's the mistake I did.
So you continue.
2 k cap. So 5 root 5. Find out the answer. It is just what we will get this. That is a bar cross b bar mod when you are applying 1 square plus 0 square plus 2 square. So you will get a root 5. Square gives the magnitude. So if you want, it is the just a bar cross b bar. It is a bar cross b bar. It is, but it is a bar cross b bar mod. So mod gives magnitude.
Is the answer √3? No, sir, the other one, the question which you have given.
This question?
Yes, sir.
√3 answer, huh?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Don't...
Like T1 by T2 is equal to.
No. Everyone, how much did you get?
So I'm not sure how to approach this question.
Okay.
Sir, when did you give that, sir? I didn't see only.
I written because already so much time we wasted. That's why one question after one more question I written.
So are we supposed to write 900 newtons equal to the resultant?
It's not resultant, it is force acting downward direction. Why it is resultant? Now what you have to do? See, when they are giving problem like this, solve this. It is how much? T2? T2?
Yes, sir.
Sin cos sin theta, yeah.
Sin 60.
60,
It is
yeah.
how much? T2 cos
60.
60. Again in this direction, T1 sin 30.
Yes, sir.
In this direction, T1.
Sir, I'm getting √3 as the answer.
Everyone, everyone are getting √3.
Yeah.
Let me check.
I actually solved horizontally, so I got √3.
Sir, here wait.
Horizontal
T1,
did you solve? Solve vertical?
Yes, sir.
T2. First we have to find out T1. How much T1? What is the T1 here?
T1 is 1800 by √3.
T2 plus T1. Sorry. T2 sin 60 plus T1 sin 30 equal to 900, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So from here, T1 cos 30 equal to T2 cos 60, right? T1 cos 30 how much?
√3.
Okay, T1 by T2 equal to cos 60 by cos 30. See how much it is?
One by √3.
1 by √3.
Sir, √3.
√3 only.
√3.
yeah?
√3.
Yes, sir.
Cos 60 how much?
Sir, 1 by 2 by 1 by √3 by 2, sir. So you get 1 by √3.
1 by √3. Sorry, sir.
1 by √3. So 1 by
Yes,
√3.
sir. Yes, sir.
That's what.
So there's no use of the mg, right?
mg no use.
Okay.
See once here. Here also, basing on this, can we calculate? Check once. It will come different. Different will come. It will be different, I think. It is the correct. Horizontal we have taken, we can calculate better. Okay, mostly dot product over, cross product over. Actually, scalar triple product and vector triple product not given. Okay, not there it is. Is it? Do you want me to teach that?
So, but is it there for competitive?
Teach it, sir.
So if it's there for competitive, then you can teach it now.
Yes, I will find out how much importance they have given to that. Basing on that, I will teach. So now you can solve all the problems. Prashant, tell me, ma.
I saw some problems based on triple product.
Okay,
I
okay.
think so,
So
sir.
we
I
have
don't
to teach
remember.
that. Even I will teach that. Scalar triple
Will-
product and vector triple product I will teach. Next class I will teach that.
Not
Can you
one
please solve
class.
now? Because in the PDF,
Sir.
there is no problems on scalar triple product and vector triple product. So till now, dot product and cross product we have completed.
Yes, sir.
So mostly you can solve the sums. So Saturday, what we are going to discuss?
Units and dimensions.
So we have class on Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday class is there.
Yeah, we have.
Right? Tomorrow you have no class.
So in this question, 900 Newton is not used, right?
No use. Tell me next class what we are going to discuss.
Units and
So the
dimensions.
PDF.
PDF.
Units and dimensions. I given problems to you. Solve that. If you get any doubt, you have to ask. That doubts we will discuss.
Yes, sir.
If there is no doubts, scalar triple product and vector triple product we will discuss.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
Sunday gap. In that Sunday, try to solve the problems in the vector lesson. Next Sunday you have examination on units and dimensions and vectors also, because we are solving everything right in the PDF.
Mix. Sir, both mix, sir.
Now both mix.
Next
Sir,
Sunday
total
will
questions?
Next Sunday. Questions
August
25.
23rd.
25, sir.
Sir, could you repeat? I haven't been able to hear you properly. So what?
No, next Sunday, not this Sunday. Next Sunday you have examination on units and dimensions and vectors.
Okay, and 25 questions.
Yes, 25.
Okay.
Not
What did
25.
you say?
40.
40. Okay.
Yeah,
So for
40
how
questions.
much time? 40 questions? 1 hour.
1 hour. 40 questions, 1 hour. Okay, next Sunday. Because you are
Okay,
solving
sir.
units and dimensions full PDF and vectors also you are solving. Then already you got so much information. You should write now. Okay, I think you are listening second time this lesson, I know. Right? Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I know. Everyone, you are
Yes,
listening
sir.
second time this
Yes,
lesson.
sir.
But you are not saying the properties of dot product and cross product.
Sir, last sir didn't give properties.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's see. Okay, understand? So in the next class, we are going to discuss about any doubts. If it is there any doubts on units and dimensions file, if there is no doubts, we are going to discuss cross product and dot product. Just you have to listen. That time, don't disturb the class. Just we have to complete the portion, that concept. Once if you complete that 2 lessons, we will complete it perfectly. So we'll go to third lesson. That's what. So next class, just if you have any doubts in units and dimensions, just ask me. If you don't have any doubts, just listen first. Scalar triple product and vector triple product. Just write that, because there is no any problems on that PDF, right? But you will get some idea on that.
Sir,
Tell me, Risha.
So when will you be teaching us differentiation and integration?
Next
And parallax
completion of
methods,
scalar triple product and vector triple product. We'll go to that.
Okay.
Integration, differentiation, mathematical tools we will use. What they are using. Okay.
So
Yes,
even
sir.
parallax method, right?
Parallax method. It is there.
Okay, sir.
That things we will discuss in the maybe in Monday. If we complete.
So next class is on Saturday and then is Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? See you in the next class, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, practice well.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank
What
you.
happened?
So what? Nothing
Okay.
happened, sir.
Nothing happens, sir.
Okay, fine, ma. Thank you.